Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a simple small hack on how to clean silver articles very easily and in a very inexpensive way. As you can see, this is a small elephant piece that's been gifted to me by my family members. So we'll have to take this Colgate tooth powder. I prefer this brand. You can take anything else, I guess, but I have always been using this. Just take a very little amount and then mix it with water. As you can see, I have taken only a pinch of it and just make a small paste. Take it on some old toothbrush and then just rub it. Once you are comfortable, you feel that you have cleaned it completely, just use a tissue or you can even just run it under water and then as you can see, without much effort or without much money spent on it, all the black soot that gathers over silver articles over a time when it is oxidized in the environment, all that has gone, and it's almost looking like a new piece. Hope you find this tip useful. Implement it and let me know how you find it. Bye.